Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to block someone on Microsoft Teams. So for this you're going to want to first of all find the person who you want to block. You can do that by first of all going to calls on the left hand side right here. As you can see I'm doing, click on that. If someone has just called you, you might be able to go ahead and click history here on this calls menu. Then you'll be able to see the person's name there or number, and then you'll be able to block them like that. Or potentially it could be in your contacts. You can type in if you want to find them there, if you know their name or number in the find a contacts menu. But let's say for instance if it's going to be the one at the top here that you're going to want to block, you'll want to go ahead and click these three little circles right here where it says more options. Click on that. Then you will see this block button down here. Go ahead and click on that. Then that person right there, as you can see, will be blocked. So hopefully this did help you out. If it did, leave a like on the video. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see more how-to videos on the Microsoft Teams app and other videos similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.